Welcome once again. Today's meditation is really special. It's about something that we experience time and again in life, and especially during this lockdown period. Yes, it is about restlessness. Restlessness, like other emotions, is a state of mind, and it can be independent of actual circumstance. So, what really makes one feel restless, and how can we overcome it? In today's meditation, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji leads us into a meditative state from which you are able to move beyond this feeling.
Let's sit comfortably, easily. Let's keep our palms open on our lap, on our knees, and sit back relaxed. And let's keep our gaze fixed at 30 degrees in front of us. Your gaze is fixed at 30 degrees. Your palms are open to the sky. And your spine is erect. Now let's keep observing our breath. When you stay still, some restlessness might come up. Then what we do, we take a deep breath in and blow it out through the mouth. सांस लीजिए और मुंह से उसको छोड़िए. Like you blow a candle, blow the stress out. Take a deep breath in, hold the breath, hold it as long as you can, and then breathe out through the mouth with all the stress, feeling the stress is going out of you. आंखें खुले रखें. Keep the gaze fixed at a point on the floor. Eyes open, body still. And take another deep breath in. Hold the breath and then blow it out. मुंह से सांस छोड़ दें. Now you may close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लें. Take another deep breath in. Fill the breath, fill your lungs with air. Pull your navel inside. Hold. And then breathe out again through the mouth. Once again. Once again, breathe. अब विश्राम करें. Now relax your shoulders. Notice some stress has already left you. Your spine erect, body relaxed, shoulders relaxed. You want to make some movement in the shoulders or in the hands, you may do so now. हाथों को हिलाना हो, कंधों को हिलाना हो, गर्दन को हिलाना हो तो करें. अभी आंख बंद करके शरीर को हिलाने का मन करता हो तो हिलाइएगा. Just move your body, shake your body and get rid of some more stress by this. शरीर की बेचैनियों को बाहर हटा देते हैं. हाथों को, कंधों को, सिर को हिला करके। ये हम करते ही हैं। We anyway do this when we are stressed. We keep shaking our body. Now let us stay still for next 3 minutes. अगले 3 मिनट के लिए हम शरीर को पत्थर जैसे स्थिर रखेंगे। Keep your body like a statue for next 3 minutes. You may experience some involuntary movement, some twitching or some movement. It is okay. It is fine. शरीर में कुछ अपने आप कुछ हलचल हो सकता है, हो रहा हो तो कोई हर्ज नहीं। Now let us place our mind on our right palm. दाहिने हथेली के ऊपर अपना पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं, मन को वहां रखें। As though you are holding a ball of energy in your right palm. दाहिने हाथ पर एक कोई ऊर्जा का गोला हो, ऐसे अपना पूरा ध्यान दाहिने हथेली पर रखें। और थोड़ा ध्यान दाहिने हथेली पर। पूरा शरीर स्थिर है, दाहिने हथेली पर अपना ध्यान टिका हुआ है। अब दाहिने हथेली की छोटी उंगली को जरा सा हिलाइए। Now all your attention on the right palm. Now let us shake the little finger. And then the ring finger. अनामिका को दिखाइए, फिर मध्यमा को, बीच की उंगली को हिलाइए थोड़ा सा, और तर्जनी को, चौथा उंगली को हिलाइए। One by one, shake the fingers of your right palm. Finally, the thumb. Shake the thumb. Just move the thumb. And again, keep it still. अब पूरा फिर से स्थिर रख लें। दाहिने हथेली के बीचों बीच अपना मन को रखेंगे। Now let us move on to the left palm. Let's keep our attention on the left palm. Move the little finger, ring finger, छोटी उंगली को हिलाइए, फिर दूसरे को, तीसरे को, फिर तर्जनी, फिर अंगूठा। मिडिल फिंगर, इंडेक्स, and take the thumb. And now keep your attention on the palm of the left hand. Now let's draw a triangle from in between the eyebrow to both the palms. Let's take our attention from the left palm to in between the eyebrows, and from in between the eyebrows take our attention to right palm. From right palm we move to the left palm. Let's draw a triangle of energy, of attention. Left side up and right side down. You're drawing an energetic triangle from in between the eyebrows to two palms. भ्रू मध्य से दोनों हथेली का एक त्रिकोण हम रचा रहे हैं शक्ति की. Like water that moves the turbine creates electricity, a mind which moves faster also creates electric currents. Every thought we get is nothing but energy coupled with intelligence. Now let go of all your efforts. अभी सभी प्रयत्न छोड़ दें. Recognize there is whirlpool of energy all around you. हमारे चारों ओर ऊर्जा ही ऊर्जा है, तरंग है. You are inside magnetic and electric field. Recognize this fact. Our bodies are in magnetic field and electric field. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़ दें. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. Let go of all your efforts. सभी प्रयत्न इस वक्त छोड़ दे. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. अच्छे बुरे सभी विचारों को स्वीकार कर ले, गले लगाते जाए. इस वक्त शरीर स्थिर है, सांस धीमी चल रही है, मन धीरे धीरे शांत हुआ जा रहा है. Whatever is this moment, just let it be. कहीं तनाव है, थकान है तो उसको रहने दें, उसको मिटाने की चेष्टा न करें। सभी विचारों को, अच्छे हो या बुरे, गले लगा लेना, किसी विचार को भगाने की चेष्टा न करें। Embrace all the thoughts, good or bad. Embrace them without labeling. They are just impulses of energy. Relax and let go. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, विश्राम करें। Let go all your efforts. एकाग्रता तो नहीं करना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना, केवल विश्राम। As you relax, the mind expands. Become aware of the space in the room you are sitting. This moment has nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just repose in yourself. अपने आप में विश्राम करें। इस वक्त ना कुछ करना है, ना ही कुछ जानना है, केवल विश्राम। Notice the change in the rhythm of your breath. सांस की गति में फर्क है, ये देखें। मन फैल रहा है और विश्राम में जा रहा है मन, ये भी देखें। सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें। Let's become aware of the vast space. अनंत आकाश को स्मरण करें और सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें। सूचनाओं को भी छोड़ दें। Even instruction need not be taken seriously. Just let go of everything. Our body is a gift to us. Our breath is a gift to us. हमारा शरीर हमको मिला हुआ एक अद्भुत उपहार है। यह सांस भी एक उपहार ही है। Let us honor the body, honor our breath. Your life is very precious. Honor your own life. आपका जीवन अति मूल्यवान है। अपने ही जीवन को भी सम्मान करें मन ही मन। You are peace. You are peace. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़िए। With a big smile on your face, take a deep breath in. Feel the smile percolating into your whole body and breathe out and relax even more. Notice the tensions have gone and is replaced with a smile. Breathe in with a smile. Feel the smile percolating through your whole body and breathe out with a smile. मुस्कान को शरीर के कण कण में उतरने दे। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस लीजिए और उसी मुस्कान के साथ सांस छोड़ें। और धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं।
Great. Feeling well rested? Do drop in your comments and let us know. It is said that it's never too late to start meditating. Though we are in our third week now, you could still invite your friends and near and dear ones to start meditating and experience the stillness and calm. They can start whenever and then continue for 21 days unbroken. They can join the challenge via www.artofliving.org/21days.